ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మిలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. శ్రీచైతన్యమనోభీష్టం స్థాపితం యేన భూతలే స్వయం రూపగదా మహ్యం దదాతి స్వపదంకితం. నమో మహావదాన్యాయ కృష్ణప్రేమప్రదాయతే కృష్ణాయ కృష్ణచైతన్యనామ్ని గౌరత్విషే నమః. హే కృష్ణ కరుణా సింధో దీనబంధో జగత్పతే గోపేశ గోపికా కాంత శ్రీరాధా కాంత నమోస్తుతే. తప్త కాంచన గౌరాంగే శ్రీరాధే వృందావనేశ్వరి వృషభానుసుతే దేవి ప్రణమామి హరిప్రియే. వాంఛాకల్పతరుభ్యస్య కృపా సింధుభ్య ఏవ చ పతితానాం పావనేభ్యో వైష్ణవేభ్యో నమో నమః. నమో విష్ణుపాదాయ కృష్ణప్రేష్టాయ భూతలే శ్రీమతి భక్తివేదాంత స్వామి నితి నామినే. నామస్తే సరస్వతీ దేవీం గౌరవాణి ప్రచారిణి నిర్విశేష శూన్యవాది పాశ్చాత్యదేశతారిణి. జయ శ్రీకృష్ణ చైతన్య ప్రభు నిత్యానంద శ్రీ అద్వైత గదాధర శివాసాది గౌరభక్తవృంద. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ 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 హరే హరే. హరే కృష్ణ ప్రభుజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ మాతాజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ టు ఆల్ Vaishnavas. Today is most auspicious Gaura Purnima, appearance day of Patita Pavana Murti Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All of us know Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. And all of us we know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advent here in this material world to express his love towards Krishna and taken the bhava of Srimati Radhika Rani. That is okay. To experience the love of Krishna or Radhika Bhav, already Mahaprabhu is there in the eternal Goloka Vrindavana. In that eternal Goloka Vrindavana, Navadvipa Mandala is also a part. Mahaprabhu is already in their spiritual world and expressing the same love towards Krishna by taking the Radhika Rani Bhav. Then why Mahaprabhu should advent here in this material world? But especially Mahaprabhu advented here in this material world not only to experience the bhav, mood of Radhika Rani, but especially the main reason is to bestow his inconceivable causeless mercy to the conditioned souls like us. This is true. Same Krishna also. Krishna is already there in the Goloka Vrindavana. Krishna is eternal, his pastimes is eternal. Then why the same pastimes Krishna with his eternal associates should display in this material world? Just to bestow on his mercy and want to attract the conditioned souls again back to Goloka Vrindavana. The same reason Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also invented here. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Avajjananti Mamuda. Foolish people cannot understand Krishna. They think that Krishna is also a normal human being or Krishna is an avatar of Vishnu. But even avatar of Vishnu also, when they advent in this material world, they will take the material body. This and all the illusions conditioned souls have. But Lord never have material body. When he advent as Krishna or Krishna himself advent as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he not have material body. Krishna is Satchit Ananda Vigraha and no one can understand Krishna. That what even said by Krishna himself in Bhagavad Gita, even Brahma and Shiva cannot understand Krishna completely. Then what about us? By the path of jnana or by the path of yoga, no one can understand Krishna. It is said by Krishna himself in Bhagavad Gita. By unparalleled devotion towards Krishna, one can understand Krishna as it is. That unparalleled devotion taken the form of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is not avatar of Krishna. Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. He is Purna Parabrahman. No one can estimate the or measure the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Goloka Vrindavana, Krishna as the source of impersonal Brahman, this and all are the hidden truths in Vedas. One who will want to pursue Vedas directly, he cannot understand this supreme truth. It is not possible. We will get confused. Without unparalleled devotion, it is impossible to understand Krishna as the source of impersonal Brahman. But Mahaprabhu, Karunya Rasamurti, Krishna himself went here as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and uncovered all the truths of Vedas. He removed the cloth of Vedas. Now we can directly perceive the truth. Krishna is the source of impersonal Brahman. We are most auspicious. We are all written in the Srimad-Bhagavatam that congregational chanting will happen, and Mahaprabhu and his associates will advent here, and we will participate in the Hare Krishna movement. As said in the predictions, we are doing the same thing. Even though Kali Yuga is said to be the Yuga of hypocrisy and quarrel, but the 10,000 years, the first part of Kali Yuga, the 10,000 years is called as golden era of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is most fortunate even then compared to all the three yugas, and it is greater than and billion times greater than Satya Yuga. It is confirmed by all the Vaishnava Acharyas. All the demigods approached Krishna and they want to take birth in this material world in the first 10,000 years, but Krishna not given the permission. But we got birth here. We are chanting. We are in the process. We are worshipping Krishna. We are worshipping Chaitanya. We are wearing Kantimala. That means we are most fortunate in our previous birth. We should remember that one. Goloka Vrindavana, Krishna is the source of impersonal Brahman. This and all are the hidden truths. These are all the hidden truth in the Vedas. We will never get it. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna himself came as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and uncovered all the truths of Veda and Vedic essence. We got everything easily, na? Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Kantimala, everything we got easily. That is the reason we don't know the value of this one. Actually, the truth is, it is very rare, very rare and auspicious, and we are very fortunate to take birth in this 10,000 years of the golden era of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is Karuna Rasamurti. There is no need to worry how many sins we committed and how much offenders we are. That is not a thing. There is no need to bother. Whatever offenses we may commit that are not greater than the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One should remember that one and should not repeat the same sins and offenses in the future, and just take the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, raise our hands and bend our head and take the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, surrender completely ourselves to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That's it. And Srila Prabhupada is there. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shakta Avesh Avatar, Senapati Bhakta of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Previously, we discussed so many times that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his eternal associates are like Mahavruksha. Mahaprabhu is compared as Mahavruksha of devotion, and all the branches and sub-branches are his eternal associates. All the eternal associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are as pure as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They never came to the influence of material nature, and they will never come under the influence of material nature. One who realizes this one, he immediately retains his lost relationship with Krishna and regains Krishna Prema. There is no doubt in that. Srila Prabhupada is Sektaves Avatar, Senapati Bhakta of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are most fortunate. We are in the time of this golden period that where our Prabhupada had advent here. Let us please use the opportunity. Prabhupada given the ode even after his disappearance, who taken the shelter of his vani, who continue to do 16 rounds of chanting, who read Srila Prabhupada books regularly, they are accepted by Srila Prabhupada in this Gaudiya Vaishnava Parampara, and the word given by Prabhupada, pure devotee, will never get failed. Krishna will never make it false. Remember that one? There is no need to worry. Patita Pavanamurti, Swayam Krishna, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there, and his pure devotee, Sektaves Avatar, and Krishna Krupa Murti, Srila Prabhupada is there. My Prabhupada is there, no need to worry. Prabhupada given the word that even after his disappearance, who taken the shelter of vani, he will guide them. The word given by the pure devotee is authorized by Shastras and Krishna. Just believe in that. Let us all do 16 rounds of chanting. Let us all follow 4 regulative principles. And let us all take the shelter of Vani of Prabhupada and read my Prabhupada books. That's it. By the mercy of Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and by the mercy of Guru Maharaj Srila Prabhupada, we retain our lost relationship with Krishna and we can go back to Goloka Vrindavana. And in this auspicious Gaura Purnima, appearance day of Patita Pavanamurti Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, let us all pray to Gauranga Mahaprabhu and get his divine blessings. Hare Krishna, Jai Srila Prabhupada.